In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for pretty much every single affiliate link ever, how you can increase your odds of being accepted into affiliate programs, and just increase your earnings overall. Now, the first thing that you want to know is we're going to be using this website called impact.com. You can see right here. Now, all you need to do to create an account is you just want to type in impact.com, sign up, and you can basically just sign up using your email. Just scroll down past the sponsored ads and then click on the sign up option right here. And you can actually sign up, it doesn't cost any money whatsoever, and you basically just need to enter in a 6-digit code from your email so it knows you're legit. But once you've actually signed up for this, you'll actually be granted permissions to this website like so, where you can actually view a bunch of different affiliate applications and just find a bunch of different brands with affiliate programs like so. You can see right here I'm on the home option where it shows your today's earnings, how much money you actually have in your impact account, and your total balance right here. And you can even enter in a landing page such as a website or YouTube channel or other social media application so that brands that you're actually applying to through this website can actually increase your odds of being accepted. Now you can see right here, if we go to the discover option and click on the find brands option, you can see right here we can search for pretty much any brand ever. You can see right here they got Target, Paramount, Walmart, they've even got Amazon, HelloFresh, and a bunch of these big box brands, and even all these small unique brands that you may be interested in becoming a partner of. But all you need to do to verify that they're actually on the site is you simply want to type in the brand that you're actually looking for and then click on enter. You can see all of the brands right here, but how you actually apply to these, you do not apply through them on the website. I'll show you how to in a second, but you can also do something cool by filtering this by pre-approved ones that you don't have to apply for, just new brands just on this website that you can become affiliates with. Or if you want to view any information just on these brands, you can simply click on it and you can see it'll just show you the acceptance status as well as how much commission you actually earn depending on each product that you actually sell, if you any of the top selling products just on this site like so. And of course you can see the acceptance rate and the response rate right here. You can see right here target is 1% acceptance, so good luck trying that one. But all you're going to want to do to actually sign up for any of these is you can actually see right here if we just go into a new tab on our computer. But you can see right here, once you're on your new browser, you basically just want to type in the name of the affiliate brand that you want to become a partner of. And you can see right here, my example is going to be Fanatics. You can also do like Target, Amazon, literally any brand out there. And then you just want to type in affiliate program, just 2 words after that, then click on search. Once you do that, you basically want to scroll down past the sponsored ads and click on official affiliate program website like here, and you can see right here it'll basically show you all of their information, how you can actually apply, and etc. But most of the time there'll be an option just called apply now right here just on their website, and you can basically see it'll take you to this website called impact.com since you have now accessed this from their website. And you can basically scroll down, view all of the commissions, earnings, and how you actually be paid out just on this page like so. And you basically can agree to the terms of service and click on the continue option down here. Now, once you're on this page, you basically want to click on the sign up and start earning option. You can see you can sign up with your email, Google, X, or any of these other applications. But by far, what I recommend the most is signing up with impact.com. Believe me, this will make your life a lot easier in the future. I always sign up with impact.com since I have like 15 different affiliate links. But if you're doing just one, it's okay if you sign up using your email. But you will need access to impact.com if you do want to withdraw your earnings or just view any of that information like so. But once you actually signed into impact.com, you can see right here, we can just scroll down past this, again, agree to all of the terms of service. And you can see right here, your applications just under this discover option right here, and then click on the applications right here, and you can view all of the ones that you've applied to. You can see right here, this is the one I just applied to. It does take a few days. Some of them are automatic when it comes to being accepted into them. But this one, you do have to send an invite and they do have to accept you. You can see if we click on it, you can actually scroll down and click on the acceptance rate if you want to see how many people actually get accepted. It's about 1 in 4, 27%. So yeah, if you want to increase your odds, I recommend just linking your socials to impact.com, which you can do so on the home screen right here, or just linking your landing page, such as your website, so that they can actually see where they're actually getting their traffic and if it's actually a legitimate source or not, because they don't want to be working with people who are going to screw them over and obviously not do them a deed when it comes to selling their products in a professional manner at least. So what I recommend doing is you can actually filter this by brand, the ones that you're a part of, and then actually link your landing page or any of these social accounts down here. Now, they do like a lot of followers in really professional pages, so I recommend doing that just down here. But once you've actually done that, if you do want to get your links, all you want to do is when you're at impact.com, you can always just type in impact.com into your browser and then just sign in using your email and then enter in a phone verification. Basically, you just go to this content option right here and then click on the assets option. Once here, you can actually see all of the brands that you're actually currently a partner of just with this drop down menu. You can see I'm a partner of Shopify, Helium 10, Bluehost, and any of these, and you can basically check on any of them to view all of the different links and products that they actually have affiliate options for. You can see right here if you do want to use any of them. In this case, if I want to use this one for Shopify, this is for drop shipping, you can basically just click on it, and then you can see right here, go to this tracking link option right here, and then click on the copy link option right here. You can see if you want to view info or performance for this link right here. You can click on the view performance or actually track how effective this link is with this option like so. Or link a landing page if you do want to link a landing page and just see your organization on what converts the best from impact.com. Now you can see right here, you can do the same for all of these other things. Shopify alone has like 50 or 100 different affiliate links you can use to promote if you're actually just trying to promote like website building, just $1 Shopify for months, or just make them buy a certain logo. Like they literally have every single thing that you could ever imagine when it comes to a tracking link, which is basically your affiliate link. But if you do want to make these more professional, what I recommend you doing is you can just copy your link. I would recommend just putting it in like a notes or docs type thing so that it's easy to keep track of how many different affiliate links you have. But if you do want to make your link more professional, what you want to do is you go to this software called bit.ly.com, and basically you can put your link in right here. If it does look a little scammy, you can basically click on enter, and you can see right here basically what Bitly does is it allows you to shorten links. You can see right here this link that I got from Shopify. This is an affiliate link from the impact.com. You can basically just do it right here, and then you can type in the ending of the link that you actually want it to end with. So it looks more professional and less like a scam if people are less likely to click on it, like if you're putting this in a YouTube or social media video description. And you can see right here, basically once you've done this, you can basically generate a QR code if you do want to use a QR code to promote your affiliate link, or actually just do any of these other features like so. But you can see right here, this is the link. It is literally the shortest, most simple thing you could ever imagine. And basically when you copy the link, it still acts as the normal affiliate link, but is way shorter and it's just way more professional like so. And you can see right here, if I just paste it in my browser, you can do the same for literally every single link on impact.com. They can just sign up, use this link as they normally would, and you get your commissions just on the homepage of impact.com like so. And basically that's all you need to do when it comes to signing up and using just impact.com and just signing up for pretty much every single affiliate link ever. And just one last thing, if you want to see if you got accepted, you basically just go to impact.com and then click on the bell, and you can see right here all of your rejects in applications that you've actually been sent out. And yeah, if you found this helpful, please consider leaving a like on this video down below and subscribing to the channel if you're new. I really love using affiliate links. They're a great extra way to earn some passive income, and impact.com makes it really, really simple to actually set them up and use them. So yeah, if you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing down below. Have a great day.